Okay, we left off with example 7 and 8, so I'm going to take just a few minutes and do these last two examples for you. Now, number 7, you might start on the right side on this one. Again, it doesn't matter. It's just like whatever you see that you think might be helpful. So I'm going to change this to 1 over cosine y plus sine y over cosine y. Okay, well, those are the common denominators, so I can add those together. So this might be helpful. All right, now after that, it's kind of like I don't know what to do. All right, so let's kind of work on the left side. Okay, what I'm going to do on the left side is I'm going to multiply this fraction by 1 plus sine y over 1 plus sine y. And that's okay to do. I'm just multiplying by 1 in the form of 1 plus sine y. Okay, so give myself a little bit more room here. Okay, so the reason I want to do that is because this denominator, if you look at this denominator and I distribute, that's going to become 1 minus sine squared y. Okay, and then in the numerator, I have the cosine y times 1 plus sine y. I'm going to write this fraction back over here. Okay, now distribute. So cosine y plus, well, no, you know what? I'm not going to distribute. We're going to back up just a second. I think this is a better option. Okay, 1 minus sine squared from your Pythagorean identity, that's cosine squared. Okay, so now look at my numerator. I have a cosine, so I can cancel out this cosine with one of those cosines. You will still have a cosine in the denominator. So this becomes 1 plus sine y over cosine y. And look at that. That's what my other side is equal to. So I am good. Okay, number 8. Well, on this one, first thing I see is on the right side, I've got tangent squared times secant squared, but minus a tangent squared. So I'm thinking we're going to factor. So I can factor out a tangent squared. And I get secant squared minus 1. We'll go back to your Pythagorean identities. You have 1 plus tangent squared equals secant squared. So if I move my 1 to the right side, that becomes tangent squared equals secant squared minus 1. So now this is tangent to the 4th x. And that equals my left side, tangent to the 4th x. All right, that finishes out this lesson. You have homework to work on. And again, if you get frustrated, that's okay. Leave it, go do something else, come back later. These are just going to take some patience and some practice.